I'm back. I cleaned the flame sensor, which is this little gadget that's right by the burners. Okay, I just unscrewed that, pulled that out, and I scrubbed it with like a green scrubby to get the junk off. But by the way, first I turned the switch off. Don't forget to turn off the switch. You don't want to get like blown up or anything. So I did that first. Turned the switch off. Took that flame sensor out and scrubbed it. And you can use sandpaper or scrubby or SOS, just whatever dry scrubber. And so hopefully I'm going to test this, see if it stays on now, because it was not igniting. It would just go right back off and it wasn't heating up. So I cleaned the flame sensor and I'm going to see if it works. Here we go. Fingers crossed. Okay. Turn it on. Okay, I'm igniting. Here goes. See if it stays on this time. God. Awesome! The heat's working, guys. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Just remember, clean your flame sensor before you call someone to fix this. You can fix it for free yourself. If your heat is kicking off real fast and not heating up, try this first.